from the OBTV Live Weather Center. This is your Weather Almanac with meteorologist Sam Reichert.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Reichert. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your Weather Almanac brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8 in South Haven, right there in Silo Square, across from the water tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. Let's talk about your weather almanac. Today, high temperature of 35 with mostly sunny skies. Low tonight, 25. Average high this time of year, 50. Average low is 33. The record high temperature set in 1890 was 77 degrees and record low 3 degrees below zero, 1918. Sunrise today at 7:08, sets at 5:08. That means you have 1 minute and 3 seconds more daylight today compared to yesterday. Winds today will be from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hover over the QR code. You can find their website and online store, and you can help take care of the birds on this snow-covered day. I'm Sam Reichert. Thanks for watching.